How to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. So if you want to add highlights on your Instagram without posting it on your story, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram, now you need to go with your story, which is on the upper left, and select an image that you would like to add to your story. After selecting the image, you can just go with your story, which is on the bottom left, and add that to your story. Now wait for it to post. Once you've added that to your story, you just need to simply go with the bottom right, which has that three dots, and you need to go and delete the story. After a few minutes, you need to go and delete the story. After deleting the story, you need to wait for 24 hours. Now, after waiting for 24 hours, you need to go with the profile, which is on the bottom right. And from the profile, you need to go with the upper right, which has that three horizontal lines, and tap on your activity. Under your activity, you need to go with recently deleted, and here you will have your recently deleted story. So you need to tap on that story, make sure that you have deleted the story and it's been 24 hours. So after that, you can go with the bottom right, which has that three dots, and then here you will have a restore option. And after restoring the story after 24 hours, then you can just simply go with your profile and you'll be able to add that to your highlight. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.